All right, I'm looking for the ILS marker to disappear. 570.
Alright, so wait for that ILS marker to disappear in those chin bubble. The chin bubble down there.
Right.
And then start your countdown.
Gotcha.
See if we can't hit that Delta taxiway this time. Alright, let's grab that center line.
Papa, runway 15, cleared line.
All right.
Cleared line 15.
Center line's going to be intersecting your left foot there, right there. Nice.
All right, got it.
All right.
3, 2, 1. Down.
Down.
Airspeed.
Rolling off that throttle.
Roll off
Catching that
throttle.
build. Looks good.
Build.
Catching that build. Nice.
Check.
Outside.
Outside.
RPM.
60.
Airspeed. It's outside. RPM. Airspeed. All right, coming back. Starting that flare.
Flare.
That power in.
Click. Right.
Level
Right.
and pull. Look at that. Let's do a quick pedal turn to the right there. Just a nice slow pedal turn, so we can show your viewers that you made your spot.
All right, fans. There we are.
Yeah. On the money. All right, let's take it back to Charlie Tango.
All right.